Hello, I'm Nelly, and today I'll show you how to do your eToro taxes with Koinly. This platform supports CSV upload. Before I jump in, if you get lost or have any issues, don't panic. I'll let you know how we can assist you at the end of this video. The first step will be to log into your account and head to the wallet section. If you don't have one, you can create a free account on Koinly.io. Okay, so once you're in your account, going to the wallet section and then click on add wallet. We're going to find eToro, and there it is. And like I said earlier, for this platform, we only have one method, which is the import from file. So let's click on that. Okay, let's talk about how to get the actual file. So we need the account statement. So once we're logged in, we have to change the language of the site to GB English. So we go to our settings here on the left side. We have here then display. So it says set your language. So we're gonna make sure that for us, it is the British flag and then English, so I already have that set up correctly. Okay, from there, we want to go to our portfolio here on the left side. And then here on the top right, there's a little icon. We wanna select that. Okay, then we wanna go to the drop-down menu here where it says history. And then in the right corner, there is a settings option. So we're gonna make sure to find that. So there it is. So we wanna click on account statement. And then here, we're gonna select a time frame. You can do a custom time frame. Just make sure to include your entire transaction history. So for this example, I'll just choose all of 2025. Obviously, yours is gonna be different depending on how long you've used the account. So from January 1st till the current date, which is December 16th, and we're gonna click on create. And then here in the top right corner is gonna be two small icons. One's a PDF and one is an XLS. So we want to click on that one. That is the file we need. So then we're gonna go back into Koinly and simply drag and drop that file. And then that's it, that's all you have to do. Just keep in mind that this file might take a few minutes or maybe up to an hour to download, so don't panic if you don't get it right away. Okay, before we go any further, I just want to say that there are some limitations to what data Koinly can import from eToro, the eToro file. So here are the things that we do support, and some things that we do not currently support, cannot import, is stock trades, CFD leverage, including crypto CFDs, and then lastly, ETFs. So obviously it's good to know that Koinly's calculated gains will most likely differ from what eToro shows you due to the different cost basis methods used. So here also we have fiat balances may be incorrect. Keep in mind that eToro is obviously a platform that has more things than just crypto. If you are having any issues, then we will leave a document here with some common things you might see and how to resolve them. And that's it. All your transactions are now on Koinly or on their way. Once all of them have been added, you can head over to the transaction page to check underneath the hood. Specifically, if you've done any kind of staking, double check that those transactions have been tagged correctly. Once you have all your wallets and exchanges connected, make sure there is no missing data and review unclassified deposits or withdrawals. And then once you're happy with all of that, head over to the reports area. So look at things like your capital gains, your other gains, your income, your costs and expenses, and anything else you want to check out. And once you've reviewed your tax year, you can scroll on down and download the appropriate tax report. Koinly has tax reports for dozens of countries, including the US, UK, Canada, Australia, and many more. This means wherever you file, we've read the tax rules so you don't have to. Koinly assesses these platforms based on publicly available information. Any information is accurate at the time of recording. This is not an endorsement of any specific provider, service, or offering. It is not a recommendation to trade or use any services. Users should still carry out due diligence before trading. And if you're still having trouble with importing your transactions from eToro, we're here to help. Check out the Help Center, which has hundreds of detailed guides about everything, from tagging transactions to missing data. If your issue is a bit more specific, our subreddit is a great place to get help from Koinly staff as well as Koinly users. Finally, you can always reach out to us directly on our contact page, where one of us, yes, a real human, will help you out. All of these resources are listed in the description of this video. If you found this video helpful, consider dropping a like, subscribing for more crypto content, and I'll see you next time. Peace.